Who's excited for a half-day workshop? We are. We now host Camp Discovery. Camp Discovery allows us to work with partners to develop your go-to-market strategy. We will look at your client base, discover all the different plays that are available to help you expand and help your clients adopt Microsoft technology to grow their business. It's a rather exciting service. Camp Discovery, we will dig down deep. We will provide email marketing campaigns as an output, as well as develop a pipeline to help you realize the capabilities of servicing the entire Microsoft stack. Join us for Camp Discovery and learn a few things. We're excited to help you take advantage of the Microsoft AI Cloud opportunity.